The Advanced Manufacturing Program here at MCC was designed 8 years ago to actually retrain workers. So it's basically to take people that haven't been in this industry and give them a new skill set. So we assume that you know nothing and we build it from there. And then we also, the program finds what you're good at and then builds more on that. What's your thumb driving?
There are many doors and aspects to manufacturing, engineering, and there's such a plethora of career opportunities and advancements. And I want to open up many of those doors through our networking.
So you have college students that go the traditional route. They can't get those apprenticeships and those internships because they haven't had those classes that make them eligible for them.
At Merrimack Manufacturing, currently I assemble a medical pump, a wearable medical pump that uses a disposable cassette filled with a medicine, and it can apply that on a scheduled time. The community college experience really helped me refine my skills, keep me interested, keep me wanting to pursue more, and just never stop.
We can pass it right here and hide.
There's a lot of things I open a cabinet, I'm like, oh, what is that? And then now I'm almost done with the apprenticeship program. I can point at out stuff and I actually can tell people, oh yeah, this does that. You know what I mean? So I can actually identify what it does. I remember my first electrical class, I was like, oh man, this is so much. But now I'm already almost at the end of the line. But I mean, I say with the program, with Stonyfield, the classes they want and stuff, but I can continue with the advanced manufacturing actually to get because I get a certification now, I can continue with the same classes. That's what I liked about it. I can continue with the same classes to bring it to get a degree.
I work at BAE Systems. I'm a test tech. I just got my job last week. My LPC class is helping me a lot with my job because it's similar to what I'm doing, and I like it because I have the knowledge now that I can put it on my job and say, oh, I have done this.
It's one of the things I like about this program is that it allows me to play with what I like, what I don't like, and see where I go from there. I'm hoping to go into the design field of some kind, but I'm really up to seeing what comes to me.
The biggest thing I've learned I'm now on my second internship, like I said, so the biggest thing I learned was that everything is going to automation. Everything at the place I'm at now is all CNC work. Everything is all press a button and it goes. So everything needs to be through the automation. So this program really gave me an eye-opening to how that works. And now I know what's going on and how to run the machines that I see day in and day out.
Working with companies in the local area is critical to my program because we need to know what skill sets that they need, and then adding those skill sets to our program. We work with employers every day. We just met with Granite State Manufacturing. They have a lot of people that they would like to hire, and their skill set's a little different. So, you know, if we need to add some skills or add a certificate or add a class, we are very flexible. And again, that being at a community college, you have some of that flexibility through either your 4-credit classes or even our workforce development program.